So now I wrote a little section here. Gyan and karma versus bhakti. From this discussion, these verses. Chitam aparitam. So what is the relationship with the gopis' teachings to Gyan, karma, and bhakti, which are the subjects of Bhagavad Gita? So the Braja gopis, they very cleverly reply to Krishna's earlier verses where he's preaching. What is Krishna preaching earlier? In chapter 29, he was preaching Gyan and karma. And he was stressing that the gopis should fix their minds and bodies and their duties to society, husbands, relatives, work, and perform devotional service. Because earlier he said, just go home and meditate upon me. Sit home, meditate upon me, and by you will realize me. And they're saying, what are you talking about? We're looking at you face to face. We're not meditating on you to attain you. We see you at every moment. In fact, our biggest problem is that when we go away from you, we pray to Vishnu that you will come out of our minds and hearts, because we can't do anything because we're love-struck. Just like any person, if he falls in love, he gets love-struck and becomes stamba and forgetful, and he can't do anything. He's dysfunctional.